welcome to episode 2. Today we're doing ACCRINTM, and here's my example. And here is our example. Equals ACCRINTM, date 2020, January 1st. This is the issue date, obviously. And then the maturity date, which is 2025, January 1st. That's that. We have a 5% rate by typing 0.05, because it's percent as a decimal. And then we have the par value, which is 1,000 usually, or whatever you want to call it. Payments are made annually for one, which I know you guys can't see this. So what we have right here equals 250. Why? Because it's 5 years times 5% of 1,000. And now we are going to move on to new. So ACOS, or ACOS as I like to call it, is the angle whose cosine is your number. That's all I'm going to say. So if we do ACOS 0.5, that'll give us 1 point. So I have no idea how ACOS works. What I do know is ACOT, which takes any number greater than or equal to 1 and gives you the hyperbolic angle whose cosh is that number. For example, if we type 5, we get 2.2924 and all that. So these are the two functions for this segment. Moving on to our fourth and fifth for the day, we have equals ACOT and equals ACOS, as I like to call it. So ACOT returns the angle in radius and radians, whose cotangent is a given number. So if I put in ACOT 1, that gives us 0.7854 if you round up. 3. Cotangent is just one tangent. So, tangent. Now, ACOS, the inverse hyperbolic cotangent, it returns the inverse hyperbolic cotangent of a number. The input must be greater than 1 or less than negative 1. So, for example, we do ACOS 2, that gives us 0.5493. Both return the radians by default. You can convert to degrees, but that is not what I will show you in this video.